guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Yes, I am doing another DIY. I've been dreading this DIY because it's a little tedious, and I'm going to walk you through all you need to get this accomplished. You will need the Dollar Tree cardboard. You can purchase the cardboard from the Dollar Tree. You get 3 trifold cardboard, pretty good size. Or if you already have some cardboards laying around your home, you can use those as well. I took one side of the 3-fold cardboard from the Dollar Tree only because they're a little thinner than your normal cardboard. And I guess I just like the idea that it's new as well. So I went ahead, paid $1 for that. And then I just basically cut them out to the size I wanted. I wanted to have 3 different sizes. So I cut out a medium size, a larger size, and a smaller size. Those 3. Then I went ahead and used my acrylic paint. You can get that from Walmart, Michael's, any craft store, whatever you want to do. And after I cut them out to the sizes that I wanted them, I don't even know how many I need. This is just idea in my head that we will be putting together. So you will see the results the same time I see it. Then I had a little paper plate that I use for my brush to be able to squirt all the colors I wanted. You can choose whatever color you want. You can choose whatever ideas you have about painting on there. I did some faux and just some brush strokes. No big deal. Create what you'd like. Then I hauled these from the Dollar Tree yesterday, and I went ahead and glue a few of them together so that I could have longer stems. So I'm going to do the same thing here with you, and then we'll start assembling them. So you will also need your glue gun and your glue sticks for sure. Put a little bit of glue on the tip, join them together, make sure you spread it out, and press. Now the glue is hot, and if you don't feel like doing it, you don't have to, you just hold it there, but I just roll it on my finger. Make it straight, press it down, and then I roll it just so that the glue will evenly distribute throughout the wood. And you'll get it just like that. Okay? So I'm going to do the same because the other one is 3. So I'm going to make them all 3s. And it basically reminds me of a bamboo once you do that. I don't know how many I need. I like to work with odd numbers, so let's go ahead and make 5 of them. And that's it, guys. Now I will move these out the way and we can start assembling. Now I must tell you, I've avoided this project. I've had it in my mind, wanted to do it because I think it's going to be beautiful, but I think it's also tedious. So I've been avoiding it because you know I'm all about quick and easy. I think I want to add some interest. So I think I'm going to make one side longer than the other. I'm going to put this together and I'll be back. Guys, I laid the sticks out the way that I believe that I want them to go. I like the way that they look. Now I'm going to add glue and attach them in the space that I want it to be. And so just like that, I'm going to do that for all of them. And then I will come back and hopefully I'll be able to pick it up and show you. Make sure you're centering it evenly on the wood. And once you've got it centered, so your main agenda is to make sure every piece of these wood are attached to each other. That's your goal. Your goal. Gold. I like gold. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, all the pieces are attached. It is secure, I feel. At least I feel like it's securely attached. I will go on outside and glue it together. Spray paint it. I'm already finished gluing together. Spray paint it and I'll be back. Show you what it looks like spray painted. Okay guys, so I have painted and attached, I don't know if you can see them, some stones to just disguise the areas. Let's see. You see the stones? Not necessarily. Well, you'll just have to trust me that there are stones on here and hopefully the light will pick it up. Now, we're getting ready to add our cardboards on. And I want to also mention, I went back, after I painted, I flipped it over and added more glue to the back to secure it more. So now I'm just going to lay out my cardboards to see where I want them to go. How do they fit? And if you notice, each of these cardboards are all different. I've got them all different. So no cardboard is painted alike. Okay, so I'm just laid these out and I'll be back to show you. Guys, I laid out my cardboard where I want them to be. And now I'm adding diamond wraps to the sides of them because I don't want for the cardboard to be visible. So basically what I'm doing is taking the glue, laying it down, taking the diamond wrap, laying it on top of the glue, press it down so it'll be flat. Make sure there isn't too much of the diamond wrap coming over. Okay, so we want it that way, not with too much of it coming over. Flip that over and add more. Be careful not to saturate it with too much glue because you don't want it coming over onto your painting. Press it down so it's even with the cardboard. Just like that. I'm going to do that all the way around and I'll be back. So guys, I just finished up with the gluing of the diamond wrap and then just randomly place the cardboard on this beautiful wall decor. Now, I will have to put it on the wall for you to see it, but the great thing is all you need is a nail in the wall and this will just lay there. Now, I must tell you, I am going to do a part 2 to this wall decor. I do not like anything that's difficult. I can honestly say it is not difficult, it's tedious. It is tedious because you have to cut out all of this board and then you have to glue. I chose to glue each of these little boards from the Dollar Tree together. So other than that, it being tedious, I think it was a great project. I will put it on the wall so you can see it. I'm excited. It was fun, and I hope that you will love it and decide to recreate it. For me, it only cost me $3, and because I've had the paint already, and I've had the stones already, and I had the diamond wraps already. So all I had to buy was the sticks and the cardboard, which honestly, I had the cardboard. I had purchased the cardboard for the project that I did before with the kids' bubble thing. I don't know what I call it, that you blow the bubbles. Well, that project, if you haven't seen it, you should check it out. It's an actual cool, easy project. So I had the board already and I just cut off the other side to create this. Overall, it could cost you the same if you already have the paint and you have some cardboard somewhere that you can cut up. Fun project. Stay tuned, I'm going to put it up. Guys, I must tell you, this is one of my best projects ever. I love this wall art. Truly, truly love it. Very simple. It's not quick, but it's not hard. And I love all the colors. You can choose whatever color you'd like. Thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you for your participation and your support. I hope that you will like and share this video with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up, guys. I thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video.